In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields to replace tags in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by getting to the right place in your QuickBooks account. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is your main settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. When the menu opens, you'll see several columns. Under the column labeled Lists, look for the option called Custom Fields and select it. This is where you'll manage all the extra bits of information you want to track that don't have a built-in spot in QuickBooks. If you've used tags in the past, you may also see a prompt or banner suggesting that you migrate your existing tags into custom fields. That's QuickBooks recognizing that many people are moving away from tags and into a more structured system. If that option appears, you can review it and decide if you want to use it, but for now, we'll focus on creating a brand new custom field from scratch. On the Custom Fields page, look for a button or link that says Add Custom Field and click it. This opens a setup window where you define exactly what this new field will do for you. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name. Instead of something generic like Field 1, choose a name that tells you at a glance what it's for, such as Sales Rep, Project ID, or Region. A good name makes reports and filters much easier to understand later. Next, choose the data type for this field. You'll see options like text and number, or drop-down list. Text and number is great for flexible entries like names or mixed codes. Number is best when you want strictly numeric values, such as quantities or internal codes. If you choose drop-down list, you can predefine the allowed options, which helps keep your data consistent. For example, if you're tracking regions or departments, you can set up a list and avoid typos or variations. Once you've picked the data type and, if needed, added your drop-down options, decide where this field should be used. Select the category that the field will apply to, such as customer if it's customer-related information, or transaction if it's something you want to capture on invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Choosing the right category ensures that the field appears exactly where you need it during your day-to-day work and truly replaces what you were doing with tags before.